HD New Design Electric Single Girder Crane Installation Guide. Check the shipping list. Check the packing list. Bridge part. Install the end carriage. Remove the handhold cover. Install locating bolts first. Then install the common bolts. After tightening the bolts, install the anti-loosening nuts. Install the handhold cover. Install crane buffer. Install trolley buffer. Prepare the installation of support bracket. Install the support bracket. Tighten the bracket bolts. Install the track hanger. Install the pendant track. Install the track joint. Tighten the hanger bolts. Install the cable clips. Install the base of cable basket. Install the cable basket. Install the electrical control box. Install remote control. Install the cable trolleys. Install the pendant cable. Fasten the end cable trolley. Install the drag chain. Wire. Bundle. Connect the cables. Install the crane limiter. Electric hoist part. Loosen the screws and nuts. Loosen the drive shaft screws. Loosen the friction ring screws. Cut the fixed bandage. Adjust the distance between wheels. Ensure that the distance between wheels is greater than the width of bottom flange of main girder. Place the hoist in the installation position. Adjust the distance between wheels by tightening the screws and nuts. Tighten the screws, nuts, and anti-loosening nuts. Tighten the friction ring screws. Tighten the drive shaft screws. Install the conductor bracket. Connect the aviation plug. Install anti-slip lock. Please completely remove the rubber ring on the vent cap before use. No power on to debug the motion and run the drag device. Please follow the correct operation to avoid dangerous situations caused by incorrect operation.